How to create a teen account on YouTube, supervised account. If you want to give your teenager access to YouTube while still keeping parental control, creating a teen supervised account is the best option. Let's start step by step. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on the settings icon at the top. After that, select Family Care. Now tap on Add Supervised Account. YouTube will ask you to sign in with the parent Google account. Next, select your teen's Google account. If your teen does not have a Google account, tap Create a new account for a teen. Enter your teen's basic details and set a password. Now choose the content level for teens. Select Explore More or Most of YouTube, depending on how much access you want to allow. After that, review the parental control options. You can manage search settings, control recommended videos, review watch history, approve or block content, set screen time limits. Once everything is set, tap Finish Setup. That's it. Your teen YouTube supervised account is now active. Important tips for parents. Always manage the account using Family Link. Regularly review your teen's activity. Adjust restrictions as your teen grows. To summarize, open YouTube, go to Settings, select Family Care, add a supervised teen account, choose content level and controls. This allows teens to enjoy YouTube safely while parents stay in control. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow for more family and tech safety tutorials.